Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the Featured On section. The Featured On section allows you to showcase logos from media outlets, partners, certifications, featured publications, and trusted brands. It's a powerful way to build credibility, strengthen social proof, and highlight the organizations that support or feature your business. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Featured On section, open your customized Debutify theme. Next, navigate to the template editor and locate the Featured On section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings, then open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the Featured On section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for Featured On and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Featured On section will be displayed. Desktop. The section appears only on desktop or laptop devices. Mobile. The section appears only on mobile devices. Both. The section displays across all devices for maximum visibility. Use container size to control how wide the Featured On section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Enable gray logos to apply a grayscale effect to all logos. This creates a clean, uniform, and professional appearance across different brand assets. You can also enable custom spacing desktop to control the space between logos. Set values from 1 pixel to 100 pixels depending on your design preference. Adjust logo height for both desktop and mobile devices, with values ranging from 1 pixel to 150 pixels. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. You can choose from a variety of pattern styles, including none, curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. Each pattern offers a unique look from subtle geometric textures to more decorative and expressive designs. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100% to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Under Desktop Layout, choose how your logos are displayed. Horizontal. Logos appear in a single row. Vertical. Logos are stacked in a vertical layout. Under Enable Slider, you can choose where the logo slider will be displayed. Mobile-only slider will appear only on phones and tablets. None slider will not appear anywhere effectively hidden. When autoplay is enabled, the slider scrolls automatically. Adjust the autoplay speed to control how fast it moves. Enable loop to make the slider continuously cycle. Show dots enables navigation dots below the slider for easy slide switching. Show arrows enables left and right arrows for smooth navigation between slides. Use arrow position to control where the navigation arrows appear. Middle. Arrows appear on the center left and center right sides of the slider. Bottom. Arrows appear lower on the slider area, aligned toward the bottom. For styling, select arrow color as either inherit to use your theme's default color or custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Match the Featured On section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can add a block here. From here, open the logo settings to customize your logos. Use the logo option to upload your brand, partner, or media logos. Under Link, you can add a URL to redirect visitors when they click on a logo. This is perfect for linking to media mentions, partner websites, or certifications. Enable Open Link in new tab so users stay on your store while exploring external pages. And that's it. Your Featured On section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.